Alright guys, my name is Aditya Kharadkar and welcome back to the Brainstorm Codings. In this video, I want to talk to you about the structures in Golang. So, the structure is a user-defined type which allows us to group or combine different items of different data type into a single type. So, the structures are also called as the lightweight classes. So, they are compared to the classes in the object-oriented programming. So we can have a real world entity which has some properties and fields, and we can combine all those properties and fields into a single type by using this structure. So let's see how can we declare the structure. First we use the type keyword followed by the name of the structure. Then we have the struct keyword, which implies that we are creating a structure. And I want to create a structure which describes about my channel. So my channel has a name, it has an author, and it also has some subscribers. So I will first create a field of name which is of string data type. Then I will have the author name, which is again have the string data type, and then I will have the subs count or just subscribers, which is of integer data type. Now let's see how can we add the items in a structure. So first we will declare a variable a. We will use this assignment operator. Then we will have the name of the structure, which is channel in my case. Then we will use the curly braces, and we will add the items in the same order we have created these fields. So the first field we have is name of the channel. So I will have the name of my channel at the very beginning. Then I will have the author, and now I have 35 subscribers, so the subscribers will be 35. Let's have the print line function, print all the items. So I have Brainstorm Codings, which is the name of my channel. Then I have Aditya, which is my name, and I have 35 subscribers. And you can even name these fields, so it's not necessary to just create these items in the same order we have created the fields. So if you name these fields, so before that I want to show you what if we change the order. If I change the order and if I run the code, you can see cannot use 35 as type string in field value. So you know that the subscribers field has integer data type, and we have assigned this string value to this integer data type. So if we change the order and if we haven't used the name for the fields, then we will have errors. So if you're not using the names for the fields, then make sure you're creating items in the same order you have declared all the fields. So we can even name the fields. So we have this field name, which is Brainstorm Codings. Then we have the author, which is Aditya, and then we have subscribers. This is integer data type, so let's say 35. If I run this, I will get to see the same output. Brainstorm Codings, Aditya, and 35. Now even if I change the order, let me put this at the beginning. So even if I change the order, I will get to see the same output, so we don't have errors while having the names for the fields. And if I don't describe the name or don't describe the subscribers, and if I run this code, so we can see I have 0 over here. So if I don't mention the subscribers, or if I just don't add a field, then if it's a string data type, then I will have an empty string, and if it's of integer data type, then I will have 0 over here. Now what if you just want to print one of the fields? You don't want to print all the fields from your structure just like we did here. So we can use the period followed by the name of the variable. Then we will have the field name. So here I'm accessing the name of my channel by using this variable name, then the period, then this field name. Now if I run this code, I get to see Brainstorm codings. So you can even access one of the fields or all the fields from the structure. Now I want to change the name, but I want to have this subscribers over here. Now you can see I haven't added the subscribers count while adding the items for the structure. Now I will do it here by using the name of the variable, then the period, then the name of the field. And then I use the print line function. Now I want to access the subscribers. Now if I run this code, I get to see 35, which is the count of subscribers I have. So this is how you create a structure type outside of the main function. Then you add items inside the structure using either the name for the fields or without using the name for all the fields. And you can even access one of the fields by using the variable name, then the period, and then the name for that field. And you can even change the value of any of the fields by again using this variable name, then the period, and then the name of the field, and then assign the value you want to change. And then you can print it by using the printline function. So that's all about the structures. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.